Yeah, we're going to talk about these, taking these valves out of this head. I already got one of them done, so going after this next one. I've already took the spring and everything off this one. I'm going to go ahead and get it and put it off the side here. Go ahead and go with the valve spring compressor here. Try to get it on there. Try to get as low as you can. Tighten it up. I'm gonna get it pretty tight. Get the spring compressed down pretty good. And that one's not breaking free. I'll set it down and get a punch and tap down on it just a little bit. It's best to use a brass punch, but I'm not using these springs, so it's not that big of a deal. So we got that pop free. Tighten it up a little more. And grab my magnet. So I get in here and oops, that one fell out. Get the magnet tries to be a little frustrating sometimes. There we go. Got that one out. Set it off. I'm going to pull the spring off here. Loosen her back up. These valve seals, hard as a rock. Supposed to be like rubber. So it wasn't sealing very good. It would have smoked. Yep. These valves got a little bit of a lip on them from the valve keeper, so I'll just get a really fine grit sandpaper and just try to smooth it up a little bit so it slides right out. Sometimes it takes a little bit. Still feel a little bit of a lip on it. Oh, there she slid out. Go ahead and put her over here. Trying to keep it all in order. Pretty much that's it. You just got to repeat it over and over and over again. A little tedious, but you got to get it done.